What's up, guys? I'm here with Luhair company today. I actually really like this box. It gives me elegance. I don't know, something about black and it just being, and the little pattern, little engravement in the box. Yeah, look. So let's see. Let's get inside. So as I open the box, obviously this is the hair on the inside. But what else is in the box? We got this little comb here. These always come in handy. I got an extra elastic band. This one is pretty thick. And I also got a weight cap. That's all that I got in the box. This is all that's written on it. Their website, luhair.com. And it comes in this drawstring bag, which I always save these bags. This is a 360 lace frontal wig. This is the pixie cut. It is a pixie cut, guys. It's 10 inches long. It's 150% in density, and it is a 1B with a mixture of blue. So, you know, it's of a curly texture. Another curly wig. Oh my gosh. Of course, it's a medium cap size. Just the other day, I was showing you guys a pixie cut curly wig, but this one is a little longer than that one. I love these wigs so much. So as you can see, it has the little blue streaks here. Not bad, that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's already pre-plucked, so I'm not gonna go in and do anything to it. And this looks pretty good. On the inside, we have 4 combs and the adjustable straps. So that's it. Pretty standard construction. So let's go ahead and get to installing this. What I realized from first putting this on, I don't know if you guys pick it up, the parting is on the right. I don't wear my hair, I never wear my side parts on my right. It's always on my left. But like some people do, like my mom, she likes to wear her parting on the right side. That feels so weird to me. I can't even try it. It just no. No. It has to be this side. So I'm going to have to flip this over, and I'm just going in and applying it as is. As I said, I didn't do anything. I'm just going with the flow as is. I didn't do anything to give it an extra tint or nothing. So let's see how bomb this lace is today.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't leave, believe. Don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't leave, believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with.
I'm done with applying the Got To Be spray. As you can see, absolutely no baby hairs. A lot of times people say, can you do an installation without baby hairs? I've done it, so I'll probably look and see if I can link that video so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But it's pretty simple. You can just go ahead, tie this down to further melt it in. No baby hairs at all, and it looks really, really good. But you guys know I love my little swoops, you know, little minimalistic swoops. So I go in, and then I'm going to flip the parting over this side because I really can't wrap it on the right side of my head.
Said, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly.
And as usual, I'm using my Lotta Body Foaming Mousse, which I just stick with this because it gives me what I'm looking for. So I just stick to buying this brand.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You and me, you and me. You could be around.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe.
I wish it was a little bit brighter. It's like a midnight blue. So I can just imagine that when I wet it, it's gonna be so camouflaged. That's the only thing. But I love the fact that they streaked it with blue. You could even go ahead and do a center part, but I don't think I'd be fond of how this would look on me with a center part. So I'm just gonna flip the side part and to let it lay. Of course, you guys know I'm gonna go in with my hot coal.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. Said don't you.
So because I flipped it over, this side is hanging a little long. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it so it can match up, because remember it's meant to lay on this side. So they made one side kind of longer than the other. You know that type of cut? So
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You and me, you and me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me.
so now it's balanced. Looking real nice.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here.
I love the amount of parting space they come with. Usually when I get these wigs, they don't have enough parting space, so I love how this looks. Now I'm gonna get glammed, you know, a little glammed, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm back, and I realized that I got a couple requests like to do my go-to makeup look, which is it would be this. But I actually did that in a recent video. It was my makeup for glasses, but pretty much most of what I did in that video is what I do on a regular. So I'll link that video down below and you guys can go ahead and check it out. But in terms of like makeup looks there, because I know that some people really want me to do makeup looks again here on YouTube. If you have like specific looks that you want, like like a certain eyeshadow look or something, you can go ahead and drop those suggestions down below along with other video suggestions. That looks really good. I didn't do any extra plucking. That's what I've really been loving with these wigs, like the way they customize them initially. Like, I'm sorry about the noise in the background, guys. A lot is going on right now, a lot of cooking, a lot of stuff going on right now in the house, so forgive me for the background noises. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the hair wet. I know some people would actually go ahead and wrap this as is, maybe. Oh, the ends over here kind of want to be trimmed because I flipped it over. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just trim. So yeah, probably you could like get it a little curlier and stuff, but I know a lot of people would actually rock out like this, and nothing is wrong with that, but it's not really my style. It's not my style, at least it would have to be a little curlier first. But this wig is so laid, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. So I'm going to be using my foaming mousse, my setting lotion, and some water.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you.
Guys, look, I remember the previous pixie cut wig that I did the other day. It's a little bit shorter, but I don't know, this is giving me a slight different vibe, and I love it because I don't know, because I guess it's the way I styled this one this time, and when this dries down, then you see the blue a little bit more, but I like that little vibe they would add to it, the little blue streaks. Yeah, only thing I wish is that they made the blue areas a little brighter. I hope you're seeing it on the camera. It's so muted, but hey, it would be good for all my conservative people that want to, dash a little bit of color in and go. But this is so nice, it laid so beautifully. Wigs, Luhair. This is gorgeous. Okay, it's gorgeous. Period. I'm gonna drop the specific link to this wig in my description box so you guys can go ahead and get it for yourself, because I know that a lot of you love wigs like this, especially from my last video that I showed you guys. You were like, oh my gosh, the wig is sold out. Well, honey, here is another gorgeous one. check it out. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up if you like this wig, if you love this wig, if you're gonna get this wig, if you would love to have one of these wigs. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up. That's it for now, and don't forget to go ahead and head on over to my vlog channel, and that's where you can get a little bit of peek into my daily lifestyle and see what's going on with me. But yeah, and if you haven't seen my most recent videos, you need to go ahead and check them out. Yes, I love doing those interactive videos. I just do. Go ahead and don't forget to drop your video suggestions down below. And yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and pick up on